Imagine this, my interplanetary daredevils. Earth is so yesterday, muddy, moody, and meddlesome. But Mars, oh red, ravishing, radiation-soaked Mars, is screaming to be tamed. So, what if we built a city on the crimson carcass of this cosmic desert? Not a base, not a dome, but a throbbing metropolis of Martian magnificence. Ha! Picture a skyline of titanium towers rising like alien stalagmites from blood-orange dust. Powered entirely by nuclear sunflowers and caffeinated wind, sidewalks that glow in ultraviolet, elevators that run sideways because gravity's just a suggestion. And the first law of real estate? Location, location, no oxygen. But worry not, dear oxygen-dependent life forms. We'll swap lungs for lungs 2.0. Self-cleaning and Martianized. You say it's impossible? Pfft, that's what they said about cheese-powered rockets, and look at how that turned out. With Martian dust storms raging like cosmic blender settings, we'll simply embrace them. Each storm shall power an airborne grid of lightning-harvesting zeppelins, tethered to coffee shops that float. Floating cafes, where your latte gets whipped by actual ionized chaos. But Ash, you whimper through your earthling logic, what about food? Aha! Why settle for photosynthesis when you can have chronosynthesis, a diet based entirely on compressed protein fog harvested from frozen methane geysers and flavored with nostalgia for Earth's lost oceans? Briny. And yes, radiation, the deadly cosmic whisper of Mars. But instead of hiding from it, we bask in it. We'll wear suits spun from genetically modified koalas with SPF 1 million fur. And our houses, our glorious polygonal palaces, will be lined with radioactive marshmallow insulation. Delicious and defensive. Soon, our Martian megacity shall rise, not as a backup plan for Earth, but as humanity's promotion. A fiery leap up the planetary ladder. We'll rename Tuesday to Oxy Day. Weekends last 72 hours, because Martian time, baby, and gravity, a mere tickle. Parkour becomes a national sport, and every citizen receives a free jetpack on arrival. No questions asked, except one. Would you like fries with your dehydro burger? But of course, there's just one small twist. Just one. Teeny, minuscule oversight. Turns out the entire Martian crust is one giant pressure cooker of CO2. And the moment we terraform even a little too hard, kaboom! The city becomes a glittering red crater, and you, dear settler, become a legendary stain in space history. Ha ha ha! But wasn't it worth it? For science, for dreams, for subscribing to this channel. Hit that button before the next solar flare hits your toaster. Ash out!